Hi friends, welcome to my channel My Deco Vibes. Earlier I had made these two coasters of these two birds, so a lot of family members and friends have appreciated it. So today I am going to show you how I had made them. For this I have taken this decoupage napkin. This is a 3-ply tissue and look at these birds and their colors. I am absolutely in love with it. These are the two bird coasters which I had made last time. And today I will be making the other two. So let's get started. Here I am taking few MDF boards. These are 3.5-inch circular boards, and I'll first paint all of them with chalk paint and then leave it to dry. Now I'm taking the decoupage tissue. This is a 3-ply tissue, and first we will separate all the 3 plies. This has to be done very carefully. Now I am just placing the discs on the napkin to check the size of the portion which I want on the coaster. Then with a brush and a drop of water on it, we can just draw lines and then tear out the piece of the tissue. That comes out very easily. You can as well use the scissors. I got all the pieces ready to be decoupaged. Now I am taking some decoupage glue. I am using Deco Magic matte finish. You can use any decoupage glue of your choice. I have taken the blank and placed the napkin over it to just see the position of the napkin and the design which I require. I am placing some weight on the napkin so that it doesn't move away. Now I am applying some glue on the blank and then we'll press it gently with the help of a sponge brush. You can as well use your fingers like the way I am doing, but the movement of your fingers should be from center to out. In a lot of decoupage napkins, you will see small dots around the sides. So if you just press that with your fingers gently, those spots may just disappear. Make sure there are no air bubbles under the napkin. And I'll repeat the same for the rest of the blanks and then leave them to dry. Decoupage glue generally dries up very quickly. It hardly takes 10 to 15 minutes for it to dry. With the help of a sandpaper, I'll just remove the excess napkin. Now once again, I'm applying some decoupage glue over the top and edges of the coaster. It helps to seal the napkin properly, and you don't have to worry about the white layer of this coating which you're seeing at this stage, because once it dries clear. Here you can see that it has dried clear and there is no glue on the top anymore. And now we'll varnish this. Today I am using Asian Paints Clear Synthetic Varnish. So just a few points which I would want to tell you about this. If you are using Asian Paints Clear Synthetic Varnish, and if you are sensitive to any kinds of smell or allergic to any smell, please wear a mask or just tie a scarf around your nose. Secondly, if your skin is sensitive, always wear gloves because this can be sticky and to some people it may cause itching. Thirdly, apply a very thin layer of this varnish. If you apply a thick layer, it may show up as yellowing. And the last thing, it takes a long time to dry, so just leave it to dry for a good 24 hours. Lastly, close the lid back tightly after use. And I am back. These coasters have dried for 24 hours and look at this gloss. I hope you are able to see this on camera. You could apply another layer of varnish if you wish to. Place it on teapots, dining table or gift it to loved ones. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.